Thurgood Marshall was the first African-American lawyer sitting at the Supreme Court in the American history. He thought that the best way to make a change in the society was through the law. He was born in 1908 in Maryland. His parents were both descending from slaves. During his childhood, his father always told him to defend his acts and so gave him the will to become a lawyer. He tried to study in Maryland, but he couldn't because of the school segregation policy. In 1933, he finally graduated from the Howard University School of Law. In 1940, Marshall co-founded the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People. Between 1938 and 1961, he defended in 32 civil rights cases and won 29 of them. In the US during segregation time, a doctrine led the society: separate but equal. It means that if the facilities are equally broken down, states would be allowed to organize the daily life, transportation, medical care, school, and keep races separated. This doctrine was confirmed by the Plessy v. Ferguson Supreme Court decision of 1896, which allowed state-sponsored segregation. Indeed, the equality wasn't respected, and black people had to endure bad conditions like substandard installations. Schools were the places where segregation created the more inequalities. Black schools were mainly poor and overcrowded and salubrious. In 1954, Marshall defended parents against the Board of Education of the city of Topeka in Kansas. He pointed out that separate but equal was only a disguise for racism, and there was no reason to separate students if education is equal. The Supreme Court agreed that the Equal Protection Clause of the 14th Amendment of the Constitution wasn't respected. In conclusion, separated public schools for black and white students were declared unconstitutional, and the states had to desegregate. Thurgood Marshall was a hero of the civil rights movement who changed the life of many black peoples.